This is the website that we are going to use, which is called Pinterest. So first thing you need to do is to register on Pinterest. I already have my own account, but to sign up, you just need to click on the sign up button here. So once you click on the sign up button, it's going to bring you here, asking you to enter your email, your password, your date of birth, and click on continue. But if you already have your account, then you can just log in your own account. So me, I already have my own account. I will just log into my Pinterest account now. So I will log in now. So now that I've logged into my own account, you can see that my account have already been existing. So now that we are on Canva, what I just need to do is to click on this part here, and I will search for Pinterest profile, or I will search for profile. Just search for anything that concerns logo, or you can just put logo. So once you type in logo here, just click on this one here, and it's going to show you a template that you can use to create your own logo. So one thing you have to do is to select anyone. Let us say I like this template, or I like this one here, or I like this one. I can just click, okay, I like this one. I will click on that. And once you click on it, it's going to open like this, and it will ask you customize this template. So once you click on customize this template, if I click on customize this template, so once it brings us here, what we have to do is to click on you can see the template here. I can click on it right now, and I can change the color of the template. You know, I can change it to red, I can change it to blue, I can change it to yellow. You know, you can change it to something that you want it to look. Even the name here, you can type in the name, and you can change the name to, let us say, you can change it to something like a business. You know, change it to something like business. So it just depends on how you want it. You can drag it out. You can change the fonts. You can change the fonts of the logo. So you can just play around everything. You can change the background. Click on the background. You can change the background to something like green, black, gray. So you can customize everything just like you want it. So once you are done with this, then let us move to, if you are okay with it, click on this share icon here, and you scroll down and you click on download, and make sure you download it as PNG, and you click on download, and it will be downloaded into your computer or into that device that you are using. Let us assume now that we have this. Let us go and create the cover photo of our Pinterest profile. So once you come to Canva homepage here, you just need to click on this part again, and you can search for, like, let us say you search for Pinterest is going to open a lot of templates that people are using for Pinterest cover photo. So the cover photo I would like to recommend to you is for you to use the Facebook Pinterest cover photo, because when I look at Canva don't have exact size of Pinterest cover photo. So the cover photo of Facebook cover photo is working as the same as Pinterest cover photo. So once I come here again, I click on customize this template. It's going to take us to this part. So what you have to do is to customize it, and I will just customize my own. So you already know how you can customize your photos on Canva. I already showed you how you can do it, how we did it on the logo. So what you can do here is to change the fonts to something that you know that is preferable to you. And you can change in this part too, change it to something that is preferable to you. And you can remove this image. You know, you can drag all those things up, down. You can, you can just design everything to look exactly to what you want. So once you are okay with it, I've designed my own to look like this. This is the cover photo, and this is the logo, and this is the logo I come up with. So I already have the two things I need on my Pinterest profile. So we come back now to Pinterest. And you need to click on the part where it says you change the profile. But what I want you to do is to just leave this for the moment. Don't change this now. Click on this part and change the name. So as you can see, I have just entered the name of my this my profile I'm going to be using on this my profile. You can see I've entered the name, which will be the word of business. I talk about business, where they say you should talk about you. And the pronouns, you just need to click it and select if you are he, him, or her. So you just need to select that. So I'll select he, him, and you just need to scroll down here, and where they say website, either you can, if you don't have a website, you can enter your YouTube channel here if you want, and the username, you can enter the username you want to be using, and you enter your Gmail address, and you come here, enter your phone number if you want to do that. And once you are done with that, if you want to include your location, you can enter your address here. So once you are done with everything, click on save. So as you can see, everything will be saved. So what we need to do is to go back to our profile. Go back to profile here. So once it brings you back here, what you need to do is to click on this part where it says public view. And now we are going to enter the cover photo and the profile. So what you can do here is to click on the cover photo and click on change cover photo. And here you are going to drag in the cover photo that you have designed and click on that. And this was the cover photo I have designed, and I will click on that and put it there. So now this is my cover photo, and I will click on done. So now that I've done that, so you can see now that this is the cover photo of this my profile on Pinterest. Then the next thing, you need to click on this part here. So just scroll down a bit and click on this part where you say edit profile, so that you can change the profile of this your page. Click on change and click on select photo, choose photo, and here this was the profile, the logo we created, and just click on that, open it, and it's going to open it in just a second. So as you can see, this is now our profile. So if we go back now to our home page now and click on Hub Business Hub, so this is now how our profile look. If you view our profile now, this is now our Pinterest profile account. So to start making money, this is the part I'm going to show you now. So guys, just keep on watching. Let me show you now how you can start making money with this method. Or you can click on this part where you say where he said you should become a partner. He say, are you a partner? But if you are not a partner yet, then click on this part where it says sign in, and it's going to take you to where you are going to register on Impact. So once you are joined, they will approve you and you can start picking products and start promoting them on Impact. So I'm going to log into my Impact account now. So this website, which is called Impact, is going to open. So Impact is the platform we are going to use to start picking affiliate program and start promoting them, and they will pay us on Impact. So there's a lot of kind of product you can find on Impact. This is one of the biggest affiliate program that we can start using right now to promote affiliate products. You can even see Canva. You can promote Canva from Impact, and anyone that use Canva from that your affiliate link, or start using Fiverr or Canva from that your affiliate link, you are going to make money. So there's a lot of other companies you can promote. It's not only Canva. So what you can do here is to log in into your own account, or you can create your Impact account. It's very simple, guys. So once you click on sign in here, it's going to take you to a part where you're going to register, which you can do. I will not just go through that. If not, this video will be very, very long. I will log into my own account now. So once you log into your Impact account, which is your affiliate dashboard, this is how it looks. So what you have to do is to find product that you want to start promoting. Let us say, for example, we want to find a product. Click on this part where it says brand and click on where it said find products. So once you click on find products, you will see that it will take you to a dashboard where you will find a bunch of affiliate programs that you can promote. And if they approve you and you promote them, anyone buy things through your affiliate giving link, you are going to make what? Money. So what you can do here is to choose a product that you want to promote. Let us say, for example, we want to promote a product like Namecheap. All I just need to do is to type in Namecheap here, and I click on search, and it's going to open up Namecheap, and I will click on it. Namecheap is going to open, and all I have to do is to see how much Namecheap is going to pay me, between $5 to $20 per each person I send to this program. Then what I have to do is to click on apply. Normally I'm promoting Namecheap. That is why you cannot see where it said apply. It's telling me now to create a link, and if I click on create link, and immediately it's going to pop up this link, and I have to copy this link. So if I copy this link now, I can go now and start sharing this link to my audience. Anyone that click on Namecheap and buy web hosting from Namecheap, I will do what? Make money. If only they buy something. It's not that if they click the link, but if they buy product from Namecheap, I will make money. Let us say, for example, I don't want to promote Namecheap. I want to promote a website like Revolut, which is this online banking. All I just need to do again is to search for Revolut. So as you can see, Revolut have opened, and what I need to focus on, I need to use the one of Revolut, not Revolut Business. I will click on Revolut, and it's going to open up. You can see that Revolut is going to pay us up to $5 for any new user we send to them. All I have to do is to click on this part where it says create link, And immediately, once I click on create link, it's going to give me the link. All I need to do is to click on it and it will tell me that I have copied it. And all I need to do is to close this tab. Let us say, for example, I don't even want to promote Namecheap. I want to promote other program. Let us say this program here, I want to promote this one, which is called Slide Revolut. All I just need to do, I need to click on Slide Revolut and it's going to tell me to join. All I need to do is to click on join. You can see if anyone purchased something from this website, I'm going to earn 30% commission if anyone purchased from this website, which is called Slide Revolution, Then I will close this tab now. Now we have our link. We know how to find our affiliate program that we want to promote. On this video, we want to promote now Revolut. This is what I have picked as for example. Then how can you go and promote this Revolut product on this website, which is called Pinterest? The first thing you need to do is to go to create a Revolut slide image on Canva. So let us go down and create a Revolut slide image on Canva. So what we have to do on Canva, once you come to Canva here, click on the part where it says search and you have to type in Pinterest pin. Once you search for Pinterest pin, then you need to click on the part where it says Pinterest pin. And once you click on it, it's going to show you a lot of templates that you can use to create your Pinterest pin on Pinterest. That is how we are going to be making money. Then what you have to do is to pick one here. Let us say I like this one. I will click on it. I like the template. And once it opens here, it's going to tell us to customize this template. I will click on design. Let us say want to design this product. All you have to do is to click on the part you want to design. Let us say I want to change this text to something. I can just, remove everything and type in best. I can just type in best business bank online. You just type in something like that and you can customize the text, change the fonts, change the colors. You can just click on the background here. If you want to change this color here, you can just click on that and type in your own color like black and change this text to something like white. You just customize everything, make it look to exactly to what you want. And once you do all these whole things, you will see that the beauty of that design you are looking for will start coming out. You can just change everything. So this is what I have come up. So now is to create a pin. What we have to do here is to click on the part where it says create. This pin, this is where we are going to be making money from. Click on where it said create pin. And here you are going to enter the title of that website we want to promote, which is Revolut. And you are going to tell a story of that website we want to promote. And you have to enter the image. And here you are going to enter the link, which is the destination where you are going to be making money from. So this, where it said add link, this is the money part. So you need to make sure you enter the link of that particular website there. So you know that if we start writing articles on our own, we are not going to get everything accurate. So we are going to use Chatgpt here to do all the whole work for us. Go to Chatgpt. You can see he have already done the work for me. I already left this up here, but if you want to do your own, type in it here. You can type in a very simple quote like this, a very simple text like this. Can you write a very short title and description about Revolut online banking? I will click on where it said save and submit, and immediately Chatgpt will start doing all the whole work for us. Then all we have to do now is to copy everything. First, let us copy the text. We'll copy the text here, which is the title. Copy the title, go to Pinterest and paste in the title here. Paste in the title and go back again. Copy the normal where it said description. Copy the description. Just copy it to these parts here. Let us say, let us stop here, or let us stop on this part here and copy this part. Don't copy everything because it will be too long for the Pinterest. Tell your story. Say tell everyone what your pin is about. I think they put a minimum of word you can use there. So I will type in this amount of word here. I think they accept that is okay. Then the next part is where you are going to make money from. So which website you want them to click when they click here, which website you want the destination to go. So let us go back again, impact. So when you come to impact, select the the company you want to promote. As you can see, I want to promote Revolut. I will click on Revolut, and here I will copy the link. So let us say we'll copy the link now. We'll just paste it here. You can see that Pinterest is going to decline this link. So for we not to have problem with Pinterest, we are going to convert this link into another website that is trusted, which is Bitly. Come to Bitly here and click on where it said create new. Create new, and once you click on it to bring a link tab out, put the destination of the link you want to go to. So this is the destination of the link. Once you enter it, click on enter from your computer. Go to link, and you will find the link that Bitly have created for you for this particular website, which is called Revolut. What you need to do, copy it, and once you copy it, go back again to Pinterest and paste in your link. So when they click on it, it's going to take them to this website, which is called Revolut. So what we have to do is to enter the image to keep this our post engaging. So I will click on this part, and it's going to take us to here, and we are going to select the Pinterest image we have created, and as you can see, I have uploaded it, and all we just need to do is to go up here, and you can click on Chrome where you say create board. Board is where you are going to select where you want the cat. If you want to be putting each product in a particular category. So we are going to leave it on online banking app and click on the part where it says publish. So it's going to show you this, your pin created. So you have created this, your pin now. So you have gone live, and all you just need to do is to click on profile. So once you click on profile here, you will now see your pin here. This is now your pin, and it's now live on this website, which is called Pinterest. So when it's live on Pinterest, let us say we click on it. This is how it's going to be displaying. And if anyone click on it and they click on the part where it says they should visit, they visit the, you can see it here. So if anyone click on it now, so to test it, what you have to do is to click on this part. You can see this part here where it said Bitly. Normally it will not show like that to you. It will show like that to viewers. It will be telling them click here or visit this particular platform. So you see immediately it bring them to Revolut. As long as they join Revolut with this our particular link, we are going to make money. That is how it works, guys, and that is how you can use this strategy to make money with affiliate program, with Revolut, and with Impact, and with Pinterest. So that is everything I need to talk about on this video, guys. I will say thank you very much, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and share my video. Let me know what to think about this video that you just watched about how you can make up to $200 online. So thank you very much, guys. If you want to make money with affiliate program, again, another method, you can watch this first video. If you want to make money with by just taking surveys, you can watch the second video. I will see you on my next upcoming video, guys. See you soon.